Welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. We're going to talk about one of my favourite products today. We're going to talk about the 1T-C2-750. It sits within our 1TAS range, but it's a really powerful little scaler. Let's have a look at it. It's probably easier than explaining. I'll show you what comes in the box in a minute. Let me just show you the unit for a sec. So this is it. It's really small. You can see it's smaller than 1/2 run rack unit, and it's just great. It's got 2 inputs. Now, what a lot of people confuse this as being a DVI only unit, but it's not. You might expect from tvONE we can put adapters on it. Now it's a HDMI unit, so I can convert all these to HDMI. I can also convert the inputs to VGA as well, or HD15. So I've got a really flexible unit in here in things I can do with it. And like I said, it's very easy at first glance to just look in our catalogue and think that this doesn't do anything more. But there, right away, I've got a unit that's pretty flexible. Like I've now got a VGA input, HDMI input, and HDMI out. You see at the front, we have the on-off button. We have the ability to switch between presets. It's got more than 2, obviously. We can access 2 from the front panel, but there's many more accessible behind. We've got 2 inputs, so the input button switches between the inputs, and then we can also switch the layer order. We can fade to black. We can put a key on and set a pip. And then the menu, and you'll see in a future video, the menu is an on-screen menu. The way we control this is either from the front panel, so it could be maybe for a university or a boardroom. All you want to do is switch between a couple of presets and switch between the inputs. Do that from the front panel. If you want to do something more, then you might program it onto your control panel and control it that way. Controlling this unit is RS232. If you want to adapt that, you can get adapters to adapt that to IP. So that's the unit itself. We get a full user manual. It shows you the 2 derivatives, the 760 and the 750. And in here, it's got a little warranty card in here. So, and I always encourage people to sign up for this to get the most out of their warranty. And as usual, it's a really comprehensive manual from tvONE. That's the optional remote control. But it tells you everything you need to know. With our products, if you want to learn out more, of course, you can come on one of our hands-on training courses. The next video we'll shoot in a minute will show you a little bit more as well. Here's the power supply. As usual for tvONE, it's a locking power supply. And finally, we have our power adapters as well. So as usual, the 4 types. So that's your standard UK with the earth on it. We have European, American, and Australian is the normal 4 we get. And finally, in here, I always really like to tell people how many rubber feet you get, and with this unit you get 4. The other thing, and if you look at our other videos for the RM220 rack shelf, if you want to rack shelf this, you can see the screws holes here, means you can rack mount it as well. This is a brilliant little product, really cost effective, really powerful. Does dual picture-in-picture, it does dissolves, it does clean switching. It's a brilliant product, so watch out for our future videos where I'll be showing you how to use it. That's the 1T-C2-750.